Hi everyone, welcome to this mini-series showcasing Copilot for M365. In this video, we're going to be looking at summarising email threads in Outlook. Imagine this scenario: you're caught in a labyrinth of emails with multiple participants, messages and twists. What are you really trying to achieve? To grasp the essence of discussion and identify key points or actions. Instead of slogging through the entire thread, you can use the Summarise feature in Copilot. So in order to use the Summarise feature by Copilot, you're going to want to get your email thread, click Summary by Copilot. As you can see, Copilot has scanned the thread, sniffed out all the crucial bits, and has crafted a summary. Within the summary, we have reference points, which will allow you to see where Copilot has pulled the relevant information from. Now that we've got the status of the email thread, we can start to look at our next steps, which we'll cover in our next video, Drafting with Copilot.